God, breathe fresh hope into me. Let courage rise in my chest. Let determination anchor my spirit, because I believe with every part of me that you are turning this around. I may not know how and I may not know when, but I know this: you are the God who shows up. You are the God who restores. You are the God who resurrects what felt dead. You are the God of breakthrough, and you have not forgotten me. Lord, give me the strength to outlast this season. Give me the eyes to see purpose where I only see pain. Give me the wisdom to understand that the pressure I feel is the sign that something is about to shift. Father, I declare right now that chains are breaking, doors are opening, healing is forming, provision is coming, peace is returning, joy is rising, and this suffering, this very moment that feels heavy, will soon become the place where I say, "Look what the Lord has done." God, thank you that you are turning my pain into purpose, my tears into testimony, my waiting into wisdom, my struggle into strength. I thank you for the breakthrough I haven't seen yet, because I know it's coming. I thank you for the blessing being prepared. I thank you for the miracles already in motion. Lord, I choose to trust you even before the victory arrives. And when it does, when the door swings open, when the healing comes, when the answer appears, I will look back at this moment and say, God was faithful all along. So I plant my feet in your promises. I lift my voice in confidence. I hold my heart open to your timing, and I refuse to let fear write the ending of this story. God, finish what you started in me. Let your glory rewrite every chapter the enemy tried to steal. Let your presence fill every place in me that still feels unsure. And until the breakthrough arrives, I will remain faithful, hopeful, and grounded in your truth, because you are the same God in the waiting as you are in the miracle. And I know when this season lifts and the dust settles, my life will echo one unshakable testimony. God carried me, God kept me, and God came through for me. Amen.